Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today guys, it's MOT time for my Rover 75. I've actually got it booked in for an MOT tomorrow morning, fingers crossed. There's a few things I'd like to just address before it goes down for the test. So this morning, lights, tyres, need to look at the back of the sills. I know the headlights need polishing, so because they've got a bit green, almost the same colour as the car. And it could do with a wash, because I'm a firm believer if you present a tidy car for an MOT, it's going to put the MOT tester in a better frame of mind. Well, that's the plan anyway. Wipers, lights, tyres. Have a look at the brakes, see what condition they're in as well, we can do that. So without further ado, I've finished my cup of tea. We'll crack on and have a look around the vehicle. So for those of you who are new to the channel, this is my 2002 Rover 75 diesel. It's the club edition. And I bought this off Paul of Project Nigel, the other YouTube channel. The other YouTube channel, yeah. So this morning's agenda, we're just going to go over the vehicle like I said, make sure it's in a better state of mind for an MOT. So I think the first thing we'll do is give it a wash, and then we'll attack those headlights. Is it going to rain? Right, lights. Okay, so we've got no warning lights on dash. That's good. All right, I hope you can hear me here. Hello. Right, side lights. Yeah, I presume they're working, can't actually see anything. Dip beam. 1, 2, count them. Main beam. Yeah, that's working, brilliant. Hazards, indicators. Yeah, I can see they're working, that's good. What else can we test? I suppose we ought to check fogs. Yeah, front fog. That's rear fog. Where's front fog? Don't know. Does it have front fogs? It might not have front fogs. May as well check the wipers. Yeah, we have positive wipage. Good stuff, good stuff. Right, let's do the back lights. I'm presuming we've got tail lights because the lights are on. Brake lights. I can't actually see, you're just going to have to be my eyes on this, guys. Presuming they're working. 1, 2. Let's do indicators again. Let's indicators again. And fog. Again, presume that's working, can't see. Right, that was easy. Brake lights again for luck. Yep, and no warning lights on the dash, good times. Right. That was easy. What else can we fix? Oh, this is going well so far. Let's not jinx it though. The tyres. I did have a look. I haven't got a tyre depth gauge, unfortunately, but we can physically inspect the tyres and make sure they're in good condition, make sure there's plenty of tread left. I think the minimum requirement is 1.8 mil. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, let's get this on full lock and we can have a look and see what the tyres are telling us. Oh, they're virtually new. This is the first time actually, well, it's not the first time I've looked at the tyres. I have looked at the tyres previously, but I haven't even given them that much attention because I sort of casually glanced at them and thought, yeah, they're all right. Yeah, that's brand new. There's nothing wrong with that at all. You can get your finger in there, whee, quite happily. Even across the board, no wear on the shoulder or the outer edge. Yeah, I think it's probably had tyres which are 215 55 16s. Other sizes are available, but yeah, happy with that. So I'm going to just check the condition of that on the others as well, make sure they're all about the same. I think that they are. I think they are from memory. So yeah, without further ado, what am I saying? I don't know. I'll get that done and come back to you. Yeah, just checking across the back here as well. Yeah, they're all the same. Loads of room. Oh, I'm even filming. Just checking across the back here as well. Get off. Yeah. Yeah. Seems to be absolutely fine. That's good. That's all four checked. Onto the headlights. Right, onto the headlights, guys. This is a common problem with plastic headlights on modern cars. The UV damage from the sun deteriorates them over time. I think they're plastic. Yeah, they're plastic. So the UV damage from the sun causes the headlights to go cloudy, thus reducing the light output. That's the official MOT terminology, I believe that's the right word I'm using. I've got big words today. Now, there are plenty of potions and lotions on the interwebs you can buy, special kits for doing headlights. I haven't got any of that. You can get into sanding and all that. I don't think they're that bad, but they're a bit green. They're almost the same colour as the car, so I don't have any compound, but what I have got is a very old can of T-cut, so we're going to just try a bit of that. And to take any hard manual labour out of it, I've got one of these. So I'm going to apply to a firm pad, bit of compound, just work its way around, and then break the bumper, and then buff off with a clean polishing cloth. Let's see how this goes. Just apply a little bit on there. Oh, that's way too much. As Derek would say, perfect. So I'm gonna do all four headlights. May as well. And because I'm a cowboy, I'm not even gonna lift the headlight. Actually, no, we could open the bonnet, couldn't we? Bit of T-cut on there. A bit more on the other side. May as well do them all. Just smearing it on. Especially the corners. The corners are the worst bit on these. And keeping the speed down on the drill so don't make a lot of mess. Apply a little bit of pressure. Even that wipe off now, and just giving this a wipe off now, get rid of all the excess polish. That's looking better, kind of. I've actually already done this since I bought the car. I did it once back in November time, but again I only used the T-cut at the time, so I'll just give it another helping hand. Can't hurt, can it? Oh, that's much better. The grill oil here, brand new. Oh yeah, much better. Loads better. Marvellous, right. Yeah, that is noticeably different, guys. That's made a big difference. I'm happy with that. One of the biggest concerns on my vehicle is the sill ends. In a brief clip which I'll play from Project Nigel, Paul did say in his video appraisal that it looked like it had some work. In fact, there's a little bit of bubbling on the edge here, but they've not gone through.
Now this car has never been welded, but what it does need now is something sorting out ever so slightly on that corner before it does need welding.
Now that is all solid, but what I'm going to do is just dress this up a little bit and just put a bit of stone chip on the outer edge because it's a little bit flaky on this outer lip here, so not the best day for doing this really, but follow the outer edge. I'm just going to concentrate on this area here, which is solid, but wish me luck. See you, John. Not going to go too mad with that because that is actually pretty solid. Just starting to go, so that will hopefully prevent it getting any worse. Just a very quick job, just tidy up the edge of those sills there, but I can feel it back here. That's all solid. The lip comes to here. It's not coming away with my hand. That's all good. Right, let that dry off. Cup of tea. Right, so that's going to dry off. I'm going to go indoors and make a cup of tea because it's absolutely freezing, and then in the morning it's MOT time. Let's see how this goes. Fingers crossed, eh? Right, just topped up with diesel. It's off to the MOT centre. Once the woman in the Vauxhall Zafira gets out of the way because she's blocking me in. Come on, dear. There we go. Right, we're off. Right, so just got to pop down to my MOT test centre and drop the car off. And it starts to rain. Lovely. I'm quietly confident about the MOT because I know it's been looked after, this car. Paul, Rover man, did a very good appraisal of the vehicle on his YouTube channel shortly before he sold the car to me, actually. So I know it's good. I've had a look underneath. It's a little bit of surface rust, but nothing I don't think to worry about. Guess we'll find out. So off to the MOT test centre we go. Catch you in a sec, guys. Oh, it's proper chucking it down now. I hope they're not going to make me wait outside. Right, just turn off and then it's next right, I think. Just in here. This is it. Right. Wish me luck, guys. Good luck, Monty. See you in a little bit, buddy. Right, guys, we have an MOT. What were the results? Oh yeah, we have a pass. Well done, Monty. It's not a clean pass. We do have a couple of advisories. These are suspension arm, pin or bush worn, not resulting in excessive movement, near side front and off side front. So both front arms, a little bit plain bushes. That's not the end of the world. I did say to the tester when I was dropping the car for the MOT that I was concerned about a knot coming from the front suspension. He wasn't able to replicate that in the test, but I think one of the front shocks might be on its way out, so need to have a look at that. It did between MOTs approximately 2,500 miles. It's not bad. That's not bad, is it? He also said, although he's not advised it, the Sills by next year will probably want some attention, so that's another thing to bear in mind. But yeah, overall, very happy. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. So it's been a quick one today, but just an update on Monty. He passed his MOT, so I've got another year's motoring. And I've got a lot of miles to do this year. I've got the NEC in March, which is Birmingham, and Rustle at Gaydon in April. So yeah, this car will be doing both of those shows, I think. So yeah, good times. So until next time, guys, thank you ever so much for watching. I shall see you soon with some more content. Goodbye. See you soon. What else can we do? Check the tyres. Need to look at the back of the sills because they're a bit sort of. Give it a clean, give it a good go over the car. Make sure it's ready for an MOT. We can do things like go through the wipers, the lights. We could check the tyre pressures, the tyre gauge, retard. Fucking bird. Shut up. 75. I've actually got a bit.